We're chasing this perp down too.
You can all relax now. Heavy is on the scene.
Heavy joining in on the fun, Control.
Roadblock up ahead should stop this perp.
Dispatch, this is Interceptor. We're going after the perp too.
All units, we have a visual on the perp entering dew point view.
We got our ass whipped out here today.
Dispatch, this son of a bitch just slammed us.
Hang in there! Backup is coming soon! Spike strip up ahead should stop the suspect.
Air support leaving the pursuit to refuel.
I need to get in front. Make them hit me side on.
We're getting dinked up here, Dispatch. Mess that one up.
Ellie is in the air and on the scene, Control.
Suspect last seen entering Siba Ski Resort. Keep on that perp. Reinforcements are en route.
We got the perp back in the site.
Roadblock up ahead should stop this perp.
Watch out, guys. This driver just took us down.
Go for the handbrake on dispatch.
Interceptor is here to get in on the action. I don't think we can keep up with this lunatic.
Hope that spike strip slows him down. I lost them again. Sweeping the area, team.
I need to get in front of this clown and try to slow him down. Interceptor no longer able to stay with the suspect, Control.
Roadblock up ahead should stop this perp.
Chopper on the scene, dispatch.
Undercover's ride is a mess. We're pulling out. Heavy has joined in on the front.
We have the perp in our sights again. I lost that suspect again, team. Sorry. Struggling for another view.
We're chasing this perp down too.
You can all relax now. Heavy is on the scene.
Heavy joining in on the fun, Control.
Roadblock up ahead should stop this perp.
Dispatch, this is Interceptor. We're going after the perp too.
All units, we have a visual on the perp entering dew point view.
We got our ass whipped out here today.
Shit! I lost the suspect again.
Suspect last seen entering Siba Ski Resort.
Let's hunt this lowlife.
Scan the streets. Find the pump.
Absolutely crazy.
We need to do the job